what I want to say is that RCEP is not a fait accompli. It has to move ahead. India has to be part of regional and global supply chain. But our domestic industry at present is not very competitive. It is lacking on the level playing field. So this should be taken as an opportunity for them that the government, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given time for the industry to come up and become competitive. And there are logistical problems that we have to tackle at the industry level, and therefore government, they should ask the government for structural reforms in factors of production and take it an opportunity time where they can build their industry for global competition, because ultimately at some point of time we will have to be part of global and regional supply chain and multilateral trade relations. So this opportunity is there. Now our industry should build with reforms and become competitive at the global level. So take it as an opportunity, that I am saying. Exporters have a problem that in a globally competitive scenario, in a global supply chain, at present value addition takes place at different countries. It is not that if any product is built in manufactured in India, whole product will come in manufactured in India. It Western countries also, you'll see there are global procurement, global countries where products are procured and assembled in some places, and then value addition takes place at every stages. So if your import are not competitive, import duties are not competitive, so domestic exporters find it difficult to match the price level at the international level. So, in that sense, I'm saying that for the export industry, we need to make them competitive, some sort of alignment of import on their raw material or their backward supply chain integration.